Hey Priya, have you ever thought about how much we rely on technology these days? I think we're becoming too dependent on it.
I get what you're saying, Rahul, but isn't that a good thing? Technology has made life easier, from communication to healthcare.
Sure, it has its benefits, but don't you think we're losing basic skills? People can't even read a map without GPS anymore.
That's because GPS is more efficient. Why waste time with maps when we have technology that can guide us instantly?
But what happens if GPS fails? Most people wouldn't even know how to navigate without it. That's dangerous.
That's a rare situation. Besides, technology failure isn't a daily issue, and when it happens, we always find alternatives.
You say that, but look at education. Students rely so much on digital learning that they struggle with critical thinking and problem solving.
Digital learning has made education more accessible. Now, anyone with an internet connection can learn from top universities.
That's true, but excessive screen time is affecting attention spans. People get distracted too easily these days.
That's a personal discipline issue, not technology's fault. If used wisely, technology can enhance learning rather than harm it.
Fine, but what about jobs? Automation is replacing workers and many people are losing employment.
While some jobs are lost, technology is also creating new job opportunities in AI, programming, and digital marketing.
Maybe, but not everyone can transition into those fields. Some industries will never be the same again.
That's how progress works. Humans have always adapted to new technology, just like when machines replaced manual labor in factories.
Okay, but let's talk about social life. People prefer texting over face to face conversations. Doesn't that harm real relationships?
Social media helps people stay connected, especially long distance relationships. It's not replacing communication, it's evolving it.
But don't you think people are lonelier now? Many studies show a rise in anxiety and depression due to social media overuse.
That's a valid concern. But again, it depends on how people use it. Social media isn't the problem, our habits are.
And what about health? People are addicted to screens, leading to poor posture, eye strain, and lack of exercise.
Technology also helps people stay fit. Fitness apps, smartwatches, and online workout programs are more popular than ever.
But people rely on these devices instead of actually understanding their own health. Technology shouldn't replace personal awareness.
It's not about replacement, it's about enhancement. Wearable tech helps people track their progress and make informed health decisions.
Fine, but security is another issue. Cybercrimes and data breaches have increased because of our dependence on digital systems.
That's true, but cybersecurity is also improving. As technology evolves, so do the measures to protect data.
Yet, many people don't even know how vulnerable they are. Hackers can access personal information with just a simple breach.
That's why awareness is important. Just like locking doors in real life, people need to take online security seriously.
Okay, what about smart homes? People rely on AI assistants for everything, from turning on lights to making grocery lists.
And what's wrong with that? It saves time and makes life more convenient.
But if technology crashes, people struggle with even basic tasks. That's not a good sign.
Again, it's about balance. We should enjoy technology's benefits while also being prepared for challenges.
But we aren't balancing it well. Most people would rather Google an answer than think critically about a problem.
That's because technology gives us instant access to knowledge. It's not about avoiding thinking, it's about using resources wisely.
But sometimes the information online is misleading. People trust Google more than verified experts.
That's why digital literacy is important. Instead of blaming technology, we should focus on educating people on how to use it responsibly.
Still, don't you think we should take a step back and rely less on technology?
I think we should use it wisely, not avoid it altogether. Technology is a tool,
It depends on how we use it.
So, we agree that balance is key.
Absolutely. Technology is a blessing if used correctly, but we must be mindful of our dependence on it.
Fair enough. Maybe I should spend less time arguing and more time learning how to use technology the right way.
Now, that's a smart use of technology.